Hello and welcome to our video on how to address people in Greek. In today's class, we are going to learn how to greet women formally and informally and also revise the previous stuff. The majority of feminine nouns in Greek end in either alpha or eta. Some examples: Maria, Anna, Sofia, Katerina, Ειρήνη, Φωτεινή, Vivi, Angeliki. In order to address women informally, we simply add the name next to what we want to say. For example, Kalimera, Vivi. Kalispera, Katerina. In order to address women formally, we also need to add the word Kyria, that is Mrs., next to what we want to say. Kalimera, Kyria Fotini. Kalispera, Kyria Anna. Let's practice. Take a look at the example. You have an expression, Kalimera, a name, Anna. What we need is something like Kalimera Anna. Kalispera Mama. Ευχαριστώ ζωή. Αντίο Κατερίνα. Τι κάνεις Σοφία? Καληνύχτα γιαγιά. Γεια σου Αγγελική. Let's continue. Take a look at the example. There is an expression, Kalimera, a name, Anna. Here we also need to add the word Kyria. That is, Kalimera Kyria Anna. Kalispera Kyria Sofia. Καληνύχτα Kyria Vivi. Αντίο Kyria Katerina. Παρακαλώ Κυρία Ζωή. Ευχαριστώ Κυρία Άννα. Τι κάνετε Κυρία Δέσποινα? Let's now revise all the types we've learned so far, that is, both masculine and feminine nouns. In order to continue, make sure you know the theory from the previous videos. Let's practice. Take a look at the example. Kalimera plus the name Giorgos, that is, Kalimera Giorgo. Kalimera Νεκτάριε. Τι κάνεις Φωτεινή? Ορίστε Νίκο. Ευχαριστώ Αγγελική. Παρακαλώ Ανδρέα. Καλησπέρα μπαμπά. Καληνύχτα μαμά. Αντίο Στέφανε. Τα λέμε Σωτήρη. Let's continue. Take a look at the example. Kalimera, Giorgos. Here we need to add the word Kyrie or Kyria. Καλημέρα κύριε Νεκτάριε. Τι κάνετε κυρία Φωτεινή? Ορίστε κύριε Νίκο. Ευχαριστώ κυρία Αγγελική. Παρακαλώ κύριε Ανδρέα. Καλησπέρα κυρία Κατερίνα. Καληνύχτα κύριε Φώτη. Αντίο κύριε Στέφανε. Τα λέμε κύριε Σωτήρη. Okay, that's all for today. For more resources, stay tuned and subscribe on my YouTube channel, that is, Modern Greek with Nectarios. You may also join our Facebook page, Modern Greek for Everybody, or contact me directly on my email address. Thanks for your attention, and I'm looking forward to our next class.